What's up, guys? This is going to be the final part to our retaining wall video. If you guys haven't seen the first 3 parts, I'll make sure I leave the links in the description. Be sure to check them out so you can see what we did to get to this point of this retaining wall job. In this part, you're going to see us pour this concrete curb. We're actually going to be doing this in a couple hours. We're also going to be getting our drainage pipe in, our drainage stone, and our fabric behind the wall. And then there's going to be one more course of block going in. So there's a lot going on. Make sure you watch the whole video so you can check out all the aspects. There's also going to be an asphalt patch that we're going to be putting in here after the concrete's done. And then the parking lot light that we pulled out, that's going to be going in this area. Going to auger a new hole. We're going to reuse the existing footing that came out of the ground pretty clean. So like I said, there's a lot in store for this video. Be sure to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. So we're getting ready to drop this filter fabric in. It's going to lay on the bottom, or I should say on top of the modified. It'll come up the back wall. It'll come up the back wall and then fold over the top. So all the stone will be wrapped. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, like, why do you need to filter fabric? Because you got a concrete wall here. I think the reason the engineers designed it that way, or wrote it up in the drawings that way, is because in case this wall, you know, completely comes down or erodes in the ground, as you can see, there's dirt on this side. So you still don't want that dirt to wash into the drainage stone. So the filter fabric is going to be there basically for potential future use, right? It's not going to be doing much right now, but if this wall erodes or comes down, our drainage stone won't ever be affected. Let's get started on this. Let me give you guys a little glimpse of what we're doing. You can see we got our fabric down and under. There's our pipe, and then we're dumping our stone on top. We probably got to cut and go, right? You can see here we got at least I don't know, a good foot of overlap between. So it's coming along good. This fabric, this is some really heavy duty stuff, so it's not the easiest to cut. Probably should be using some scissors or something. Truck just got here. Time to get rocking and rolling. We're going to start down here, work our way that way. So today we're going to start setting these top blocks, getting the final course in, and then we have some drainage stone that's going to come. Getting a load of that, should be here in about an hour. We got to start filling in from here down. We'll continue with the fabric, dumping the stone, getting the pipe set, and hopefully we'll have all the blocks on today and all the drainage stone done. And I'd also like to get that footing over there back in the ground. We're going to saw cut a square. I brought the auger. We'll auger the hole and hopefully get that placed. So we got a lot on the table today, or a lot on our plate, I should say. We'll get started. So we got one load of block this morning, and you can see that top row, that's our final height right there. And then while we were waiting for the second load to come, we got some drainage stone, 3/4 clean, and we continued getting the stone behind the wall, our fabric up, and everything else. Let me show you that real quick. There we go. You can see the fabric and the stone all the way down. So now we're going to continue on putting the rest of this top course of blocks on. Might get a little bit of rain today, hopefully it holds off. I like to get this done, and then I also hopefully want to auger that hole there.